In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a friend online. Go ahead and open the Line app on your device. We'll use the built-in tools to search for someone and add them to your friends list in just a few taps. If you see a login screen, sign into your account and complete any quick verification the app asks for. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the search works smoothly. From the main screen, look for the Add Friend icon near the right side of the screen. Depending on your device, it usually looks like a small person with a plus sign. Tap that to open the Add Friends menu. Inside this menu, choose Search. You might see other options like QR codes, but for this walkthrough, we're focusing on the basic search method. Next, pick how you want to look them up. You can search by Line ID, which is the unique username someone has set for their account, or by phone number, which works only if they allow others to find them that way. If you're not sure which to use, ask your contact which is active on their account. Type the details carefully, then tap the magnifying glass to start the search. With Line IDs, match the exact spelling and any underscores or periods. For phone numbers, include the correct country code and avoid spaces or dashes. If nothing comes up, double-check the info or try the other method, since some users keep search turned off for privacy. When the correct profile appears, pause for a second to confirm it's the right person by checking their display name and profile photo. If it looks good, tap Add. Line will add them to your list and may notify them that you've added them. In some cases, they'll appear right away in your Friends tab. In others, you might see them after they accept or add you back, depending on their settings. That's all there is to it. Open Line, go to Add Friend, search by ID or phone number, and add the profile that matches. If your search doesn't find them, it's usually a privacy setting or a small typo. Once they're added, you'll be able to start a chat whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you add your friend quickly and confidently.